Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to send an email to a Trello board. First thing is just simply go to one of your board and just simply select power ups over here on the top right and go for add power ups. And now from here, just simply use the search bar over here and search for Gmail and just simply select see all results down below and just simply select this one, Gmail by Cardbox. So just simply select add and select add over here, and after that just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and you should be able to see here the tutorials that they have, and pretty much you could check this out as well. From here guys, just simply select settings, and after that go for edit power up settings and just simply sign in with your Google, and just simply sign in and select continue. And from here just simply select this one, select all, scroll down and click on continue. And from here just simply wait for it to get integrated. And now guys, once you have signed in, just simply go to one of your board and just simply select a list, and as you can see you will have the power up over here which you could have. And from here, as you can see, you could attach email over here. So from here you could compose an email directly, and from here you should be able to send an email to a Trello board. Just simply provide where you are going to send this to, and after that just simply go ahead and provide the subject over here. Just simply provide a text over here as well, and after that just simply select send over here, and you should be able to send an email to a Trello board. And now guys, if you see an error something like this, just simply go to Cardbox settings, and after that just simply click on connect. From here just simply scroll down and click on allow, and after that everything should be fine by now. And after that guys, as you can see, an email sent through to the email that I provided, and there you go, see ya.